How to fix YouTube Mini Player not working on PC. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube Mini Player not working on your PC. If your Mini Player isn't popping up when you try to use it, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to get it working again. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, head over to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look on the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. Next, go into Third-Party Cookies, then scroll down and select See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in YouTube. You'll see YouTube's cache files appear. Go ahead and clear YouTube's cache to remove any stored data that might be causing the issue. After that, let's move on to the extensions. At the bottom left of the Settings menu, click on Extensions. Try turning off your extensions one by one, because sometimes an extension can interfere with YouTube's Mini Player. Once you've done that, go back to YouTube and check if the Mini Player is working again. And here's a quick alternative solution. If you want to use the Mini Player instantly, just press the I key on your keyboard while a video is playing. That will activate the Mini Player shortcut right away. You can also use the Mini Player shortcut as an alternative solution. So that's it. By clearing cache files, disabling extensions, and using the shortcut, you should be able to fix the YouTube Mini Player not working problem on PC.